Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you an amazing trick in PowerPoint, how to insert a video into text and overlay text on a video. This technique is perfect for creating eye-catching presentation. Let's start the video. First, we will start by inserting a video. Go to the Insert tab, click on Video and choose this device to select your video file. For this tutorial, I will use a C video to create a nature theme effect. Then align middle. Go to playback, select automatically. Then click on loop until stop. Now draw a rectangle. Go to the Insert tab, click on shape and select the rectangle. Drag it like this. Next, we will add the text that will display the video inside. Click text box and type your desired text. For this example, I will use the word nature. Center your content. Choose a bold font, show code Gothic. To make the effect stand out, increase the font size so the text becomes prominent. Go to Format, then Align Middle. Here comes the magic. Select the rectangle first, then hold down the Shift key and select the text box. Click on Merge Shape and choose Subtract from the drop-down. This will cut out the text from the rectangle, leaving a hollow text effect. Shape Outline, make it no outline. And choose black color under Shape Fill. Add a preset effect using Shape Effect for a professional look. Finally, click on Slideshow mode to see the video playing beautifully inside the text. And that's it. You have just learned how to insert a video into text and overlay text on a video in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Aksharika tutorials for more creative PowerPoint tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.